Do you want to know how you can log into your Spectrum bill paying account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Spectrum bill paying account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Spectrum Bill Pay Login. You can see account and billing over here. Go ahead and click account and billing and you can see that this page opens up. Now what you need to do is click on this link which says how to view your bill. Click on learn more and you can see sign in option over here. Click on sign in and this login portal will open up, or if it doesn't open up, go ahead and click sign in and it will take you to the login portal where you can write down your username, your password and then click sign in. This way you can log into your Spectrum account and then you can start paying your bills. You can also click stay sign in to this device, and in case you have forgot your password or username, this is the link for you. If you don't have a Spectrum account, you can click create a username and you can start paying bills using Spectrum. I hope this video about how you can log into your Spectrum account for paying bills was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.